Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on Steam with a keyboard. First, launch the game through Steam and head straight to the Settings menu. Look for the Controller Settings or Game Settings option, which is usually found under the main menu. From there, simply select Keyboard as your input device. It's a quick and easy step, taking less than 1 minute to complete, ensuring your keyboard is ready for action. Next, let's customize your key bindings for optimal performance. You'll want to map crucial actions like passing, shooting, and through balls to keys that feel natural and comfortable. For movement, many players prefer the arrow keys or the WASD cluster. Don't forget to assign defensive actions, such as pressure and tackling, to easily reachable buttons. Remember to save your personalized configuration. This step is vital before you jump into your first match. Now, let's explore some advanced keyboard techniques. Once your basic controls are set, practice complex moves like 1-2 passes and feints. These require precise timing and coordination. Make use of modifier keys, such as Shift or Control, for special actions like sprinting or calling a second defender. Mastering precise dribbling involves combining your movement keys with specific action buttons. Experiment with various key combinations to uncover effective strategies and elevate your gameplay. Finally, consistent practice and optimization are key to becoming proficient. Spend time in exhibition matches or training modes to truly familiarize yourself with your new keyboard controls. Don't hesitate to adjust in-game camera angles for better visibility and strategic awareness on the pitch. Continuously fine-tune your key bindings based on your comfort and how you perform in matches. With dedicated practice, you will significantly improve your eFootball keyboard skills and enjoy the game to its fullest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.